Hello everyone, this is Zach Cross on the Zach Cross channel. I'm going to be reviewing Dairy Queen, the A1 Steakhouse burger, which smells good, the Snickerdoodle, mini Blizzard Snickerdoodle, which is the cookie dough kind, and this is a mini one, and the what else? Pretzel sticks. The pretzel sticks with a zesty queso sauce, which is the things right here. I'll be first trying the A1 burger. I'll unwrap it here. There is A1 steak sauce, onion rings, bacon, and some sort of honey mustard on it. And there are 2 patties here. So let's try it. The meat comes forward too. Nice texture. Pop of that onion ring is good. They're smaller onion rings. Bacon, nice and crunchy. Only thing I have to say, it's just a tiny bit dry. As you can see, they didn't put much sauce on it. See, there's not a lot of barbecue sauce. There's a little bit of honey mustard, but yeah. It's good. It's really good. The textures all come together. Bacon is crunchy, like I said. Onion ring, nice bite. Does come through. It is a little meat forward though. But there is some barbecue sauce on the bottom, which is nice too. It's a good burger. It's true. I'll be giving this a 4.5 out of 5 stars. 5 points down because of the sauce situation and the fact that it's a little too meat forward, but it is really good. I still think it's good. Okay. Next we'll try, save this little thing for last. Next we will try the salted pretzel sticks with the zesty queso sauce. Oh my god. It's soft, has a nice bite of the inner soft pretzel. The salt gives it a nice flavor. This queso sauce here, or zesto queso sauce, is really, really, really good. And as you can see, it's cooked nicely. So for these, it has a nice texture, soft bite is good, and the salt comes through as well. I'll be giving these a 5 out of 5 stars, just because I like them a lot. And I like them, they're very, very, texture is nice and it's good. So, yeah. This is the, it's a little bit melted, but actually it's still okay, I guess. This is the mini Snickerdoodle cookie dough blizzard. Okay. Here we go. This is so good. The cookie dough, great. Snickerdoodle comes through. Cinnamon in the ice cream. And I looked on the description on Dairy Queen's website. It said they had, it's a blend of vanilla, cinnamon, and Snickerdoodle cookie dough ice cream. It is so fantastic. It's rich. Texture's nice of the ice cream, nice and creamy. And the ice cream is nice whipped, smooth. It's very, how do I say this? It's almost airy, and everything comes together in a nice package. And the mini size is nice. I didn't know it'd be this small. So for this, because it's so small, and I didn't know it'd be this small, but this is what I thought. I looked at it online, and the hand was bigger, but I don't know. Anyway, I'll be giving this a 4.9 out of 5 stars. Still a very high score. The consistency is nice on this. A Snickerdoodle comes through. Okay. That's it. Goodbye, everyone.